Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my super easy taco salad. And all you need is a Dole Premium kit, and it's the Southwest salad, and it comes with the lettuce, the tortilla chips, the taco ranch dressing, the white cheddar cheese, radishes, carrots, cabbage, all that, you name it, it's in the kit. And what you're going to do is go ahead and brown this meat. I'm adding the seasonings here, and what I usually add in any of my recipes is the seasoned salt, the onion powder, the garlic powder, and the pepper. Okay, and then you're just going to brown it. This salad is so easy, but this is just the longest part, waiting till this meat is done. Once it's done, you're good to go. Okay, and you're just going to want to brown this meat. So the quicker you brown the meat, the faster you can have your salad. It's all up to you. You want to make it slow, you want to make it fast. I personally like to turn up the heat because I like to get some texture on the meat. That's just me, that's my preference. Okay, so now I'm going to be cutting up the tomatoes, and I want to cut them up in big chunks, so I'm not trying to like use my fork and get little small pieces of tomatoes with my fork. I want to be able to grab it pretty quickly. But yeah, so just go ahead and cut up these tomatoes, and trust me guys, like, make this salad. Your family is gonna be like, wow, you are so amazing. You're gonna like come home from work one day and be like, oh, I have to feed this family and I just want to go to sleep. Like, okay, just make them this salad. Like, it's gonna take 10 minutes. Feed them, go lay down, go to sleep, do what you gotta do. We don't have time to be making these long meals, okay, after a long day of work. So I'm just adding my salad. I didn't add all of it, so I'm gonna add this dressing, and I'm not gonna add all of it as well because I didn't add all the lettuce. Usually 2 salads feeds my family of 3. Edgar eats a lot, so that's how it goes. But anyways, so now I'm mixing up this salad, and I'm mixing up the dressing. Guys, didn't I say this salad is super easy? Are you still with me? Are you excited? Are you excited? I'm excited. But anyways, let's continue. So I'm going to add some meat. You add however much you want. You want a little bit, you want a lot, you want the whole thing. You do you, boo. I ain't going to tell you what to do. And then next, you can add your beans. I'm adding some black beans. You can skip this part. You don't like black beans. You don't like beans. You don't like the way they make you feel. Don't add that. Like, you don't have to add that. Okay, next is the tomatoes. You want tomatoes? Add them. If you don't. Okay, next is the tortilla chips. This is totally customizable. You can add and put whatever toppings you want. This is just like the base of the salad. So you do whatever you want. Add some cheese. Sometimes I like to add the cotija cheese. That is pretty bomb too. And that is it, guys. You want to add some avocado, whatever you want to do. This is super easy. It's as simple or as complicated as you want to make it. Add more flavors. You do what you want to do. And I hope you enjoy this salad. If you do end up making it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, did you like it? Did you not like it? You're going to make it again? You're not going to make it again? You want to subscribe? Oh, wait, what? You want to add a like to this video? What? Oh, thank you. You're so nice. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye, guys.